emptying out the truck and I'm taking things apart, like this sewing machine here. This old sewing machine I'm gonna take apart. But if you see here, I'm taking lots of stuff apart as I'm going. And I gotta take every screw out that I can find. And look, this stuff, I'm recycling it. Man, look at how much metal is in here. But one of the key things I'm after are the motors. If I can get them out, easy. And any kind of wire I can find. So, okay, and I have an area for these. I got an area for everything. But right now they'll pretty much take this whole thing as steel. So I'm going to get as much plastic off of it as I can first. Sewing machines have a lot of steel in them. And if you take it over there and it looks like plastic, a lot of times the scrapper don't even want it. If you're scrapping, you want to have a long Phillips screwdriver like this so you can reach into stuff, not a short one. Some of these aren't going to come out too easy. What I'm trying to do is get the plastic. There it is. Like I say, that's worth nothing. And actually, that's mostly aluminum, so I did really good on this. I'm going to throw that in my aluminum container right here. And a couple of pieces of wire. I want to get every piece of wire off of there because that's pure money. So, okay, I'm going to put this in my aluminum bin right there. And here's a little bit of copper. That's how easy a sewing machine comes apart, just basically a few minutes. Thank you for watching. There's a lot of these hex nuts here, and I don't really feel like breaking them apart right now, so I'm going to give this in for aluminum breakage. I'm still going to get a pretty good price for that piece of aluminum. And want to get a lot of this is going to work. Like I say, I'm going to add that to my aluminum pile. And otherwise it looked like just plain plastic.